Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizaldi Ramadan Prabdiansyah from Information Technology, and today I will explain a story of the wheels. A wheel is a circular component that is intended to rotate on a axle bearing. The wheel is one of the key components of the wheel and axle, which is one of the six simple machine. Wheels, in conjunction with axle, allow heavy objects to be moved easily, facilitating movement or transportation while supporting a load or performing labor in machine. Wheels are also used for other purposes, such as ship's wheel, steering wheels, potter's wheels, and flywheels. Common examples are found in transport application. A wheel greatly reduces friction by facilitating motion by rolling together with the use of axle. In order for a wheel to rotate, a moment needs to be applied to the wheels about its axle, either by way of gravity by the application of another external force or torque. Using the wheel, Summerland invented a contraption that spins clay as a potter shapes it into the desired object. The place and time of an invention of the wheel remains unclear, because the oldest hints do not guarantee the existence of real wheel transport, or are dated with too much scatter. Mesopotamian civilization is credited with the invention of the wheels. However, unlike other breakthroughs of invention, the wheel cannot be attributed to a single or several inventor. Evidence of early usage of wheel carts have been found across the Middle East, in Europe, Eastern Europe, and China. It is not known whether Chinese and Europeans invented the wheels independently or not. The halaf culture of 600 to 500 BC is sometimes credited with the earliest division of a wheel vehicle, but this is doubtful as there is no evidence of Halafans using either wheel vehicle or even battery wheels. Precursor of wheels known as tornotes or slow wheels were now in the Middle East by the 5th millennium BC. One of the earliest examples was discovered at Tepardis, Iran, and dated to 500 to 5200 to 4700 BC. These were made of stone or clay, are secured to the ground with a peg in the center, but require significant effort to turn. True potter wheels, which are fairly spinning and have a wheel and axle mechanism, were developed in Mesopotamia, Iraq, by 4200 to 4000 BC. The oldest surviving example, which was found in UR, modern-day Iraq, dates to approximately 3100 BC. Wheels of uncertain dates have also been found in the Indus Valley Civilization, a 4th millennium BCE civilization covering areas of present-day India and Pakistan. Early wheels were simple wooden discs with a hole for the axle. Some of the earliest wheels were made from horizontal slices of tree trunks. Because of the uneven structure of wood, a wheel made from a horizontal slice of the tree trunk will tend to be interior to the one made from rounded pieces of longitudinal board. The spoket wheel was invented more recently and allowed to construction of lighter and swifter vehicles. The earliest known example of wooden spoke wheel are in the context of the Sindh culture, dating to 200 BC. Soon after this, horse culture of the Caucasus region used horse-drawn spoke wheel war chariot for the greater part of 3 centuries. They moved deep into the Greek peninsula, where they joined with the existing Mediterranean people to give rise eventually to classical Greece after the breaking of Minoan dominance and consolidation led by pre-classical Sparta and Athens. Celtic chariot introduced an iron rims around the wheels in the first millennium BC. In China, wheel track dating to around 2200 BC have been found at Pingliangtai, a site of the Longshan culture. Similar tracks were also found at Yangtze, a city of the Erliteo culture, dating to around 1002 and 700 BC. The earliest evidence of spoke wheel in China comes from Qinghai, in the form of two-wheel hubs from a site dated between 2000 and 1500 BC. In Britain, a large wooden wheel measuring about 1 meter in diameter was uncovered at the Mass Farm site in East Anglia in 2016. The specimen, dating from 1100 to 800 BC, represents the most complete and earliest of its type found in Britain. The wheel's hub is also present. A horse spines found nearby suggests the wheel may have been part of a horse-drawn cart. The wheel was found in a settlement built on stile over wetland, indicating that the settlement had some sort of link to dry land. Although large scale of use of wheels did not occur in the Americas prior to European contact, numerous small wheel artifacts identified as children's toys have been found in Mexican archaeological sites, some dating to approximately 1500 BC. Some argue that our primary obstacle to large-scale development of the wheel in the Americas was the absence of domesticated large animal that could be used to pull wheel carriage. The closest relative of cattle present in Americas in the pre-Columbian times, the American bison, is difficult to domesticate and was never domesticated by Native Americans. Several host species existed until about 12,000 years ago, but ultimately became extinct. The only large animal that was domesticated in the Western Hemisphere, the llama, a pack animal but not basically suited to use as a draft animal, pull wheel vehicle, and use of the llama did not spread far beyond the Andes by the time of the arrival of Europeans. On the other hand, Mesoamericans never developed the wheelbarrow. The potter wheels, not any other practical object with a wheel or wheels. Although present in a number of toys very similar to those found throughout the world and still made for children today. The wheels was never put into practical use in Mesoamerica before 16th century. Possibly the closest the Mayas come to the utilitarian wheels is the spindle wheel, and some scholars believe that toys were originally made with spindle wheel and spindle stick as wheels and axes. Nubians are from after about 400 BC used wheels for spinning pottery and as water wheels. It is thought that Nubian water wheels may have been ox-driven. It is also known that Nubian used horse-drawn chariot imported from Egypt. The wheels was barely used with the exception of Ethiopia and Somalia. In sub-Saharan Africa well into the 19th century, but this changed with the arrival of Europeans. The spoke wheel